Hello, everybody, and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about Smartsheet sub account from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow app for your Smartsheet account. So, how do we set it up? Inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace and you search for the app Smartsheet sub account. Install, allow and install. You have some keys required like the client ID and the client secret. And of course, you have some smart cues here that are going to show you how to get all those keys. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Smartsheet account. We come down here in profile, tools dedicated to developers, and you have the possibility to create a new application here. You can create it here. Since we already have some keys created, we just have to display it. We have the application client ID and application secret code. Let's copy and we switch back to the sub account. Paste, we go back, client secret, we copy, we switch back, we paste, continue. Change, select, confirm, complete installation. You have this new redirect URL, right? That you just have to copy and go back to your Smartsheet account and edit. So let's do it. If you notice, we have the application URL here that we copied when we install the tool from your account. We just have to edit this one. We paste the new one. Do the same here. We paste and we save. Bingo. Now we switch back to the sub account and bingo, we have on install, which means that the tool is already connected to our Smartsheet account. Now you guys are ready to execute actions directly from your workflow app for your Smartsheet account. This is very amazing, guys. So if you ever have any question, we have a support team who is very dedicated and available 24/7. Thank you for watching.